Hi everyone, Jason here at Lichtsinn RV in Forest City, Iowa. We have an opportunity today to take some measurements of the Solis 59P with the new sofa bed option in the rear. And the bed is going to make out into a dimension-wise, it's going to be 71 inches across the coach, and then the width-wise is going to be 59. So again, 71 by 59 of the rear sofa. And now we're going to take some measurements underneath. Really everything forward of the sofa is going to be remaining the same on the traditional setup. So your change is down below the sofa. So kind of the first measurement that we have is the space from front to back is going to measure 38 inches. Again, front to back, 38 inches. If we measure across, up in that area, that is going to be 29 inches. And then your space across the coach, we'll go from this box here that houses the kind of assembly for the seat belts, and going across over here is about 45.5 inches of open space. You do have a little bit of a space here with a Nautilus water system, solar outlets. The top of the box there is 15 inches going left to right here, and going across is approximately 19 inches. So it probably could use some space a little bit there as well. So the tables on the back, kind of outdoor multi-purpose tables, those measure 24.5 by 7.5, and that's really the measurements in the back. Again, everything else up in the front stays the same, but those are the changes for the back. If you have any questions, you can contact any of our sales consultants here at Lichtsinn RV.